Hi, my name is Dr. Lori Cayley. I am a functional medicine practitioner, and I help women who have thyroid conditions to reverse their thyroid conditions naturally so that they can experience optimal health and get their lives back. Today, I'm going to talk to you about adrenal issues that often go hand in hand or actually are a root cause of thyroid dysfunction. And what made me want to talk about this today was that I was talking to a woman the other day who has hypothyroidism and Hashimoto's, but she had told me this story about how she actually had adrenal issues months and months ago that got worse. So I just want to tell you about her, and maybe this can help you. So she had told me that last year, at the end of last year, she had been getting ready to go out to a movie with her friends. And she all of a sudden started to feel off. She was just getting ready to walk out the door. Everything was fine. And then she just felt off. And then her pulse started to raise. Her heart started to beat really fast. And she just knew that this was an issue. She had the problem. She had experienced this before, but it was never this bad. And then over time, her symptoms from this point forward started to get worse. So she was having worse anxiety, was having mood swings. She was experiencing hair loss, and she would have periods of exhaustion. So when we talked, I had said, well, obviously, this is an adrenal issue that can be the root cause of your thyroid problem. So you need to address that. And this can happen due to an overproduction of adrenaline over an extended period of time. And other symptoms can be feeling exhausted after you have gotten a good amount of sleep, or good quality sleep. You can also have all of a sudden have exhaustion or feeling overwhelmed. You can crave salty or sweet food. You can feel after a day that has been really exhausting, not being able to sleep. It's called being tired and wired, and you can have difficulty returning to a routine after you have had a stressful period in your life or have been ill. So to fix your adrenals, you want to make sure that you are getting good quality sleep. So going to bed earlier, and at the end of the day, unwinding, making sure that your room is black when you're trying to sleep, no lights in there. And I would say, don't use any devices, computers, phones, iPads after 5 or 6 o'clock, so that you don't get that blue light that will keep you awake. You can get blue light blocking glasses if you are going to be on one of those devices. I suggest doing meditation. Also, many women who have adrenal issues are over exercising. So you want to make sure that you're not doing that, because that just makes the cycle worse. So doing exercise like yoga, Pilates, things like that are better when you're trying to repair your adrenals. And my last tip is to remove coffee from your diet. And I have a great smoothie recipe that I'm putting in the comments of this video that you can use to help repair your adrenal glands. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. And I'm also going to put a free ebook called Love Your Thyroid in the description of this video, and there's other great recipes and tips in there as well. So thank you for watching.